Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will thoroughly explore VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and comprehensive analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the first day of October in the year 2024, our system has classified VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.32. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The ETF is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If the price breaks above the upper trend line at $528.56, it will indicate a stronger rate of increase. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a suggestion of a potential change of approximately 3.54% in the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from -3.61% to +4.69%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 32.66% over the coming year, with a potential return between 25.88% and 34.64%. This implies a projected price range between $658.03 and $703.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The price of the VOO ETF decreased by approximately 0.92% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024. It fell from $527.57 to $522.74. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.32%, ranging from a low of $520.23 to a high of $527.10. During this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a gain of 0.99% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 9 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.63 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $529.91, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 1.35% or $7.17 below the 52-week high of $529.91, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, recognized by its ticker VOO, has gained significant attention as the S&P 500 achieved its best 9-month performance since 1997, increasing by over 20% year-to-date. This impressive performance fosters a favorable environment for VOO, which directly reflects the index it tracks. The recent interest rate reduction by the Federal Reserve marks a crucial moment for VOO, making equity market investments more appealing due to lower borrowing costs, which could lead to greater inflows into the fund. Furthermore, as the ETF market surpasses $10 trillion in assets, VOO distinguishes itself amid the growing popularity of ETFs. The fund's current positioning, close to an all-time high of approximately $530, indicates a bullish sentiment that may continue to draw in investors seeking stable returns in a technology-heavy market. Additionally, with increasing conversations surrounding alternatives to traditional tech-focused investments, VOO's diversified exposure to the broader S&P 500 may attract those looking to reduce risk. In the short term, these elements present a positive outlook, likely driving the stock price higher as market sentiment remains robust. Long-term prospects also appear promising, as VOO's performance is closely linked to broader economic indicators and consumer confidence influencing the S&P 500. Overall, VOO is well-positioned for sustained investor interest as conditions develop, especially in a favorable economic climate following the Federal Reserve's rate cuts. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges for the ETF, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $525.84. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $514.43. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. There are also some negative signals to consider, which may affect the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has decreased by 0.94%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside the falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 213 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. In general, the ETF tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF moved $6.87 between its high and low, or 1.32%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.88%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $523.88. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $489.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been set. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO displays several negative signals, leading us to believe it will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, we anticipate VOO to open up $0.615 and begin trading at $523.36. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.